I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell your own daily planner on Amazon KDP using a simple step-by-step method that helps you design fast, publish instantly, and start earning with absolutely no experience. First, head over to your Canva account and instead of starting from scratch, go to the search bar and type in Daily Planner. Canva will show you a wide range of templates you can use. Click on the one you like and choose Customize this template. Once you're inside, delete any unnecessary pages so you're left with the daily planner itself. Start customizing it by changing the colors, theme, fonts, and adding elements if you want. When you're done, head over to the bottom right and click on Grid View. Select the planner page and duplicate it until you have about 31 pages good for 1 month. Once the main planner is complete, don't forget to design your front page. After that, click on Share and download it as PDF standard. Next, head over to Amazon KDP and create a free account if you don't have one yet. Then upload your file after adding your title, description, keywords, and pricing. Once everything is set, publish your planner. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to create a daily planner in Canva, design your cover, and publish it on Amazon KDP to start earning passively. And don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.